Hello and welcome to my brand new filmmaking tutorials channel. I'm Anthony Het, the film coach, and to give you a little information about me, I have an MA in creative writing, plays and screenplays from City University of London, and I've made a trilogy of short films that have screened in film festivals across the UK and also a little further afield. These films have been nominated for numerous awards, including my film Waiting, which was nominated for Best British Short Film at the prestigious London Short Film Festival. And I've also been very lucky to have also won a couple of awards, including my most recent short film Scrabble, which won Best Short Film at the International Film Festival of Wales. I'm originally from a small town in North Wales, and I've been living in London for around about 11 years. During this time, I feel like I've picked up a lot of information and knowledge around how to write and how to make short films, and this channel is my opportunity to pass on some of that information to you. What I'm aiming to do is to make short and concise videos with simple and practical advice. The reason for that is that I find that there's a lot of videos and a lot of information out there that tells you what you need to do to be a filmmaker, but doesn't necessarily tell you how to do it. Now, I'm not going to sit here and pretend like I have all the answers. I don't. But what I think I can do is give you the benefit of some of my knowledge and give you information that I wish I had when I was first starting out and making my first short film. These videos are going to be aimed at new and inexperienced filmmakers, maybe first-time filmmakers, but hopefully there'll also be information that will be helpful to filmmakers of all levels of experience. My videos are going to be split into two different series. The first series is going to be videos all about how to write a short film, and the second set of videos are going to be all about how to make a short film. Now, these videos are going to be hopefully packed full of fun, interesting, helpful information on how to write and make short films on a budget. And I think that's important because funding is one of the more difficult pieces of the puzzle, something I'm still trying to work out myself. So when you're making your first film or your first couple of films, I think it's really important that you know how to make a film on a very limited budget. Now, I'm going to give away a lot of my hard-earned secrets here for free, and I'm happy to do that. But I do also offer one-to-one online mentoring sessions where I can go into topics in more depth and I can give advice and feedback that's more specific to you and to your project. So if that's something you might be interested in, head to thefilmcoach.com or anthonyhet.com, drop me an email and I can send you more information about that. But for now, all I've got left to say is thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. And I hope that you enjoyed this and you'll be back for the next video, which will be on the topic of inspiration and will be uploaded onto this channel here very soon.